Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring some captivating house exterior wall designs ideas that will transform the of your home and make it truly stand out. The exterior walls plays a significant role in defining the character and style of a house. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Unique cladding and materials. Cladding materials can add a unique and eye-catching elements to your house exterior. We will discuss options like wood, stone, brick, metal panels, or even conventional materials like recycled materials or glass. Discover how different cladding materials can create a distinct look that reflects your personal style and make your house visually striking. Texture and patterns. Adding texture and patterns to your exterior walls can create visual interest and depth. We will explore techniques like textured paints, stone or brick patterns, or decorative tiles. Learn how to incorporate these elements to add a touch of elegance and uniqueness to your house's facade. Color scheme. The color scheme of your exterior walls has a significant impact on the overall aesthetic appeal of your house. We will discuss different color combinations, including bold and vibrant choices or more subtle and neutral tones. Discover how to select colors that harmonize with the architectural style of your house and create a statement that catches the eye. Architectural details. Incorporating architectural details into your exterior walls can add charm and elegance. We will showcase options like decorative moldings, columns, or arcs. Explore how this detail can enhance the overall architectural style of your house and create a unique look that sets it apart from others in the neighborhood. Greenery and vertical gardens. Greenery and vertical gardens can bring life and beauty to your exterior walls. We will discuss options like climbing plants and vertical gardens or green facades. Learn how to create a lush and vibrant environment that integrates nature into your house designs and create a refreshing and inviting atmosphere. Proper lighting and recent features can enhance the beauty of your exterior walls. Even during the evening hours, we will explore options like walls, scones, uplighting, or architecture accent lighting. Discover how to strategically place lights to highlight architectural design details and creating a welcoming ambience that showcases the uniqueness of your house. That concludes our house exterior wall ideas for stunning and unique look video. We hope these ideas have inspired you to transform the exterior walls of your house into a visually striking masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which house exterior wall idea you found most inspiring. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor content. Until next time, happy designing and enjoy creating a stunning and unique look for exterior walls of your home.